Hey guys, I'm Lily O'Reilly. This is Lily O'Reilly Reviews Stuff from Quarantine, and today I'm here with my daughter Abigail. Say hi, Muppet. Yeah, you're not getting a hi. And we got a couple Bullymake boxes to unbox, but first I wanted to shout out a couple toys that I found are legitimately bully-proof. So let's get to that, huh? Okay, so as we've seen, I've popped a couple Bullymake boxes open in the past, and by and large, Muppet there has no interest in them. A few toys I have found that she likes, she chews on, and she hasn't managed to destroy are the generic black Kong. You stuff treats in it. The red one she has managed to rip the end off of. The black one, pretty sturdy. Pretty good. You like this one, don't you? It usually has peanut butter in it. See? Decent amount of interest. In the same vein, the Black Kong Bone. Another great one. I shove treats in the end of it before I give it to her when she goes in her crate. I've had this one for 2 or 3 years now. If you look closely, there are some scratches. She's definitely put her teeth into it multiple times. Really good toy though. It has survived quite a bit of her being her. My most recent acquisition, and one I found on Amazon that I really like, is called the Ultra Durable Chew Ring from Monster Canine Dog Toys for large dogs and aggressive chewers. This thing has a lifetime replacement guarantee, which is why I still have the label. And they'll give you a full refund or a one-time replacement. Now this thing is amazing. It's super thick. It's really durable. We play tug with it. She chews on it. She carries it through the house because she thinks it's fun. Yeah. It's legitimately one of her happy place toys. That's one that I can 100% say is very good for power chewers. Boop. You put up with so much. So, with those 3 out of the way, let's see what's in the bully boxes, huh? Now, I'm not getting paid in any way for this. I just had an issue with Bullymake where I tried to cancel my subscription and they keep sending me shit. So I'm like, might as well. And their slogan is Bullymake, designed for power chewers. It's been kind of hit or miss. Now, to be fair, some of their toys have actually survived pretty well. I've got a Nylon peanut shaped thing that's somewhere out in the dog run. There was a blue kettlebell that is also somewhere out in the dog run. But I found that with Bullymake toys, the dogs tend to just carry them around and then drop them and lose interest. They don't do like she does, where she takes her toy and carries it through the house and loves it. Oh, we're back to this. Okay. So, first off, we have the April Bullymake box. They say they can swap toy materials at any time in the My Account section of the website, which I've done. I've banned them from sending me rope because she likes to eat it and then poo out half of it and then come running through the house like a demented poo comet. It's very bad. I do not recommend it. And I like their rubber toys, so I've asked for some of those, but I still seem to predominantly get nylon. As with this box, it looks like April is Vegas themed. We have a Bullymake poker chip. Hey, Nugget. Poker chip? No dice. Okay. We have the Fabulous Paws Vegas. Come on, you. Take it. Nope. We have a Bullymake nylon horseshoe. Any luck? And still in the bag is the Bullymake martini glass. I'm not going to go through the fuss of actually, like, opening this because she's going to do the same thing. So that was April. Let's see what... There we go. Ah, May. That is the May Bullymake. You're very excited by all of this, aren't you? You know, other people have dogs that like being on camera. Their dogs have Instagram accounts. You just have one angry TikTok. Okay, so May is apparently food themed. We have a waffle. Would you like a waffle? Not particularly. We have a champagne flute. Any interest? She just takes them to be polite, and then she sets them down. We have a very large cup of coffee. Well, that's enough. And we have a leg bone. Oi, nugget, leg bone? I mean, that one's getting the most interest out of all however many that I've unboxed. So, I believe the pup verdict is not super great. She does not like the Nylon Toys, especially not the Bullymake nylons. The Nylon Toys that I have found that she does enjoy are... Let me go see if I can find one. I'll be right back. Oof. Okay, so the toys that she does like look like this. I cannot for the life of me remember what company they come from. If I can find them, I will tell you. I keep wanting to say Naugahyde, but that is absolutely not a toy company. My brain is also giving me Nutella, which I know isn't right either. Do you remember what this toy is called? Give me a moment. As you can see, she has chewed the ever-loving shit out of it. But it's super resilient, and unlike these flat, uninteresting shapes, the texture and the ring style means that she actually enjoys carrying it around and doing stuff with it. You can have it now. Take it. Good girl. So, by and large, I don't know if I would really recommend Bullymake. Their toys are flat and uninteresting, and she doesn't like them. Yeah. So, that's my dog. That's my box. I'm glad you probably enjoyed getting to see her be her picky little self. And now I get to box all of these up and take them to the Humane Society. Probably. That sounds fair, right? But she is absolutely my pampered little princess. If y'all would like to, in the comments, post any questions you have about my darling daughter, I will absolutely do a puppy Q&A video at some point for you, because she is my favorite little monster. But now that she is being a dragon on her hoard of toys, I'm going to call it a day and go make lunch. I hope you have a marvelous day, and I'm going to roll some credits because I don't want to do the spiel. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, say bye. Nugget, say bye.